Today I've got something really special. That's why I have to check if my microphone works, because last time something disconnected me. I don't know why. Of course, before I will open my mystery parcel, I would like to I hope that your Christmas, it is amazing and you're spending your time really nice. And it is important just to stop, just to relax, just to enjoy this time. Do not think about anything else, but just about yourself and just about the nice things. Do not plan anything, just get your life and be happy. And I hope that everything will be great in the next year. But for the wishes for the next year, we will make a video on 31st December for sure. I would like to. And today my outfit, it is just the white shirt, because I think that when I've got really dark, cloudy, almost black days, let's say, it is really so hard, you know, without the sunlight. I don't know how it is for you. Everything starts from the white shirt, and I would like to explain you why I'm wearing the white shirt. So, white shirt and the brown real leather skirt from the Massimo Dutti. This shirt, it is silky shirt from Zara. I really love this shirt with the gold buttons and everything. It looks incredible. This is my perfect white shirt, and I can wash this shirt in my washing machine for, of course, the wool program. But anyway, it is still like brand new, so I'm happy. If you have anything that you don't want to make a hand wash, please use a program on your washing machine for the wool, and that will be perfect. You don't need 60 degrees, you don't need sometimes 40 degrees, you just need a good detergent, the washing liquid that will works with the stains or any smell you don't like. And you know, just sometimes the makeup around your neck, that's normal, that's completely normal. Then I've got my brown tights from Calzedonia, and of course my Tom Ford boots with the padlock and the gold heel. I really love these boots, they are super high. I don't know why, but indoor, at home, I can walk in them easy. But since I walk outside, it is so hard. I don't understand that. I have, you know, the tires inside the floor. It is actually, what is the difference between the tires outside or inside? That's supposed to be the same, but I don't know. I don't know why, but I think if we have such a long skirt, this is a pencil knee-high skirt, I think that the ankle boots, they are great just to show a leg a little bit, just to make the a huge gap between, because of course we can wear boots, and I think that we could wear the same color of the boots. I'm not gonna wear any boots in the black color, because the black and brown looks okay, but I would like to wear something different today. So that's but something brown I've got in this parcel, so let's open it, because I think that it's gonna be much better. That's something that I'm wearing today, and that's Elisabetta Franchi. Franchi. She is Italian, and Italian brands, they are really the best, and I am so happy because I feel the vibe of Elisabetta. She have like everything what she have in her collection. I love, and I wish to be free of charge her model forever and wear everything. She have beautiful boots in the croco style. She have many things in the croco style, so I feel like, oh my god, someone repeat my thoughts. That's real. That's really real. I think the same way as she think. That's why I love this thing what I've got inside this box. We have the security sticker, which is attention, warning. This is the security sticker, so we know that nobody opened this parcel before us. Time to that security sticker. It is really like security sticker, you know. It is from the Elisabetta Franchi, straight from the store. Oh my God. I love this packing so far. And we've got a business card from the Elisabetta Franchi, just you can check it. And the store, it is on the back. This is not any ad, unfortunately. This is not any collaboration with the Elisabetta, unfortunately. I wish to, but like I said, no, it is not. I saw this thing, what I've got inside. It is not a handbag, and it is not. They are not boots. It's gonna be something different. But I saw this like 1 year ago. Oh, this smell. I hope the size will be good, because with the size it is always a problem. Oh my God. Are you ready for this? Are you really ready for this? Oh my God. I'm shaking. I've got size 7 and I hope it'll be good, because I know that size 7.5, it is a bit too big. Sometimes 6.5 has too short fingers. It is a color coffee, which is my favorite. And gloves are long. They are so beautiful. You know, like I've got gloves in the light brown color, the camel, not the camel it is like dark beige, but I've got light brown chestnut color. I've got 2 pair of the black color gloves, and I've got red, and what else? I don't remember, but I don't have any brown like this, so just tell me this won't be perfect with my skirt. Must be good. I don't care. Must be good. Even if they won't be good, I will make them fit. Okay, so we have a little clip there. All right, so there is like no tags. Tags, it is only like with this clip over there. That's fine. I don't care. I can just. This is not possible to make a counterfeit yet. I think that they are too fresh. So we have the buttons. The buttons, they work like this. Oh, very hard, because they are new, probably. You have to be very gently. Look at the fabric inside. Oh my God, I cannot wait to wear them. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I hope they won't be too small, because sometimes this can be possible. Oh, I know they will be good. I know they will be good. They are perfect. You know, like all internet love the gloves right now. Oh my God, how I can make it with this? I don't want to damage them. They are very, just the leather. I don't know if you can hear this, but it is incredible. I wish that daylight could be today better to show you everything. But like I said, I'm doing my best to show you this. Oh my God. They are nice and long. Maybe I supposed to change my shirt. But this is my vibe today. The white shirt and the brown color. I would like to just stay like this. Oh, not easy. So buttons, they are a great idea just to make it fit around the waist perfectly. Without this, they will be too big or your hand wouldn't go through. Sorry, just too much emotions. Okay, just I will show you. If there is buttons, just imagine there is no buttons. Can we make it? No. We need to open the button. Oh my God. I know these gloves, they are so expensive, but the price you pay for them, you can buy many gloves with the AliExpress, on eBay maybe, Temu, somewhere cheap. But they will be never ever the same quality. Like them. They are nice and super long, and I love them. Okay. Most beautiful ever in the world, brown gloves. Just, you know, I will try make more videos with these gloves in the daylight just to show you how beautiful they are. Maybe with the different dress or just something without the sleeves, because that at this moment it is so wrong, I know. But I don't want to just change my outfit today. Most beautiful, really, they are most beautiful gloves ever. Oh wow, just I have to sit a little bit different. I feel so special in these gloves. They are really the best gloves I could even imagine. Probably size 6.5 will be not too small, but also good, you know. Just I was afraid about the fingers. I was afraid that they will be too small and I'm not gonna be able to wear them. But actually they are really fine. Size 7, it is okay. I don't have super small hands. My hands, they are just normal, same as my feet, and but I've got a small calf. So same with the hands. I've got really skinny hands, and some gloves that are like really huge. Like you saw many times I show you gloves from Zara, from H&M, and they are always like huge, really like too big, a few sizes over. So I've got finally most beautiful gloves ever, and like I say, they cost 2,000. But since you save your money, for example, for nice and cheap boots, you can spend your money for something different. For example, I bought my handbag about around 1,000 euro cheaper. So why not to spend a little bit more for the gloves? And I think this is all depends on your budget. If you just not spending things for other things, then, like for example, I don't smoke, I don't drink alcohol, and I think that I save enough money that others people spending for different things, I'm spending for different things. So that I think works fair, and I'm really working hard. So I think that is something really, really beautiful. And oh my God, most beautiful gloves ever. Now I have to think about the special and beautiful outfits with these gloves, and I'm pretty sure I will wear them for the new year. So they will be just Oh my god, do you know that the quality of the leather, it is even better than Gucci? And what is a difference between the other gloves and this? They don't have any lining, so but they are very warm. You know, I can feel so far that they are nice and warm. So they are very, very beautiful, and I love this. I love this detail and this little Elisabetta Franchi kind of the bracelet. That's super. This is all you need with these gloves. You don't need actually any more bracelet on it, I think. Just I have to be very, very careful on them because I don't want to damage these gloves. That could be a shame, a huge shame if I would damage them. So yeah, love it so much. I think I will finish this video at this point. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Please let me know how do you love these gloves. I hope that you love them as much as I do. They are very beautiful, and I am so impressed with the quality and everything. And like I said, I wish to have like everything from the Elisabetta Franchi because she is a really amazing designer. She has many beautiful things of the leather. She's got all the suits, she's got many blazers, she's got coats, jackets and everything. And like I said, I feel her style so much, and I could be the free of charge model. So it is less than 1% chance that she will watch my video just because I will put the Elisabetta Franchi her name in my title. So it is a chance. So, oh my god, I have to make a super nice outfit, but anyway, I think that my outfit I'm wearing today, just the brown and the white shirt, it is really enough. So thank you so much for watching, and please come back tomorrow for more videos. For now, this is it. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye!